Assalamualaikum and hi, I hope you are doing great. For our final year project, we did the bibliometric analysis of global research trends on ceramic radiation shield using Scopus database. And our group consists of 3 members, which is Nur Akila binti Johari, Nur Miza Imanina binti Muhammad Sukri, and Nurhani Shahindah binti Yazid. Meeting the demand for new radiation shielding materials, however, some researchers came out with a new idea, which is the using of ceramic. A coating of heavy metals such as lead and a few meters of concrete has traditionally been used to shield radiation. But after long periods of exposure and extreme heat, they are prone to destruction. A variety of properties need to be considered in order to identify suitable substances for radiation shielding. In our study, we are going to discuss the suitability of ceramic as shielding material. Moving on to the next part, introduction to our study. Materials for potential radiation shielding applications, which is manufacturing, properties and emerging developments, analyze materials for radiation shielding application truly and comprehensively, starting from the concepts to potential applications and different types of shielding materials. However, based on the researcher's paper related to ceramics as radiation shield, there are 216 research papers study the suitability of ceramics as radiation shield. Ceramic have the capability that fulfill the concept of radiation shielding. For instance, the results of a study showed that glazed ceramics are better than unglazed in the attenuation of gamma radiation, which makes their use of shielding better.
Next, for the literature review, the overview of this study area about the ceramic radiation shield trends based on 216 publications from the Scopus database. The total articles that have been accepted and reviewed from the total 547 articles was 216. Each of the abstract article reviewed to ensure that keyword of ceramic radiation shield found in the articles to figure out more about the study and can explain it well. Furthermore, the temporal distribution patterns of ceramic radiation shield journal article can be analyzed and the leading countries that publish about this study can be determined.
Next, moving on to methodology, there are some methods that we use in order to complete our studies. First, create research string for Scopus. Then we found out that only 547 research papers related to ceramics as radiation shield. Secondly, we do the pre-read for every 547 research papers, but only 216 accepted. Thirdly, we do the analysis for 216 research papers and the discussion about it.
Next is result and analysis. For the result and analysis consists of first, publication output and growth of research interest. Second, preferred journal. Third, leading countries, top institution and international collaboration. Fourth, leading author. And the last one is author keyword. First, the publication output and growth of research interest. This graph shows the annual and cumulative numbers of research articles on ceramic radiation shield in Scopus from 1933 until 2020. A total of 2016 articles were published on ceramic radiation shield. Number 2, which is preferred journal. This table shows the top 10 most productive journals on ceramic radiation shield research with their most cited articles. Next is leading countries, top institutions, and international collaboration. This figure shows the top 17 most productive countries and academic institutions in ceramic radiation shield publication. The fourth one is leading author. This table shows the list of the 15 most prolific authors in ceramic radiation research area. The last one is author keyword. This figure shows a screenshot of the bibliometric map created based on author keyword score occurrence with overlay visualization mode. Minimum occurrence of a keyword are set to 4. For the discussion is analysis of publication output and growth of research interest, preferred journal, leading countries, top institution and international collaboration, leading author, lastly, author keywords. For the first one is publication output and growth of research interest. This graph shows over a period of 87 years, which is from 1933 until 2020, a total of 216 research articles have been accepted out of a total of 547 research articles that have been published. Next is preferred journal. This table shows the top 10 most productive journals are owned by 4 different publishers. The top 3 journals were published by Elsevier with 6 in total, then followed by Institute of Physics with 2 journals and the rest followed by Blackwell and Springer. The third one is leading countries, top institutions and international collaboration. This figure shows the top 17 most productive countries contributing to the growth of the ceramic radiation shielding research activity worldwide. About 16.53% of the global publication was contributed by United States, indicating these countries are key players in the ceramic radiation shield research progress. United States was the leading country with 39 publications. Next is leading author. This table shows the top 15 most prolific authors in ceramic radiation shield affiliated to 8 countries as follows: India 5 authors, Egypt 2 authors, United States 2 authors, China 2 authors, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, United Kingdom and Estonia only 1 author. The last one is author keyword. This figure shows a total of 501 author keyword was recorded. Among them, 15 keywords met the threshold of minimum 4 occurrences for the mapping in the VOS viewer. The result obtained shows that the shielding was the most frequently encountered keyword with 30 occurrences and 16 links to other keywords.
So, for the conclusion, this analysis provided an overview of ceramic radiation shield formed on 216 publications from the Scopus database. The growth of the publication increased over the last 10 years. As we can see, United States is country that published the massive number of publications about this study area. We have figured out several areas that are currently well researched, such as material science that are including radiation shielding, and we have also established some newly researched areas with ceramic radiation shield, such as artificial neural network and economic assessment, which can be possible hot topics for future studies. Not to mention the endless effort to search the best materials that are non-toxic to our environment are a good deal effort to optimizing the shield configuration. As the materials have a lot of good deals, so the ceramic material is among the high demand requests in market and have a potential to be in a worldwide market. And this is our reference for our final year project. That's all from us. Thank you.